Okay, so the point of this video is to show you how to set up signalscope to do sound visualization demos. So we've opened up signalscope and now we're going to start a new project. And for the visualization we will need an oscilloscope window and then also an FFT analyzer. And also make sure that for your input device, if you don't have a special microphone that you've plugged in, use built-in microphone. But if you have a special microphone, you can change it to built-in input. Okay. So to set up the oscilloscope, we're going to go to the Display tab, change the auto scale feature to off, change the vertical scale to 1 volt per division. Okay, now for the FFT analyzer, I'm going to go to the FFT tab, set the span, the frequency span to about 2700 Hertz, change the averaging type to none, change the spectral lines to the lowest setting, 440, and then we want to go to the Display tab, change the vertical scale type to linear, change the frequency scale type also to linear. I'm going to turn auto scaling off and change the vertical scale to 100M. And so with these settings, we found these are the best settings for the sound visualization to show up. So when you turn on the oscilloscope, you see sort of a time plot of the sound wave, and if you whistle, you can see what the sound wave looks like. The FFT analyzer shows us something a little bit different. It gives us a peak for the actual note of the sound wave. So when we play it, and then we whistle, you can see a peak for the note of the sound wave. So that's how you set up the signalscope demo, and then in the next video we'll show you a sample of what the lesson could look like.